Welcome to our exploration into the world of plant-based food with high protein. Join our Wellness Warrior community at wellnesswarriorshub.com, where we encourage and inspire one another to be the greatest versions of ourselves. We encourage participation, so feel free to leave comments, ask questions, and tell us about your own wellness journey. If you're considering a plant-based diet or just aiming to incorporate more plant foods into your meals, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. When it comes to protein, many people think of meat, eggs, and dairy first. But did you know that a variety of plant-based foods can provide substantial amounts of protein as well? Let's start with lentils. These small but mighty legumes pack a serious protein punch. 1 cup of cooked lentils contains approximately 18 grams of protein. Plus, lentils are high in fiber, which supports digestive health and keeps you feeling full. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are another protein-rich legume. 1 cup of cooked chickpeas provides about 15 grams of protein. They also contain several vitamins and minerals, including iron, phosphorus, and B vitamins. Quinoa is a seed that's prepared and eaten like a grain. Known as a complete protein, quinoa provides all the essential amino acids your body needs. 1 cup of cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein, along with a healthy dose of fiber, magnesium, B vitamins, iron, potassium, calcium, and vitamin E. Let's talk about tofu and tempeh, both derived from soybeans. Tofu is a great source of protein, offering approximately 8 grams per 100 grams. Tempeh, made from fermented soybeans, provides even more protein, about 19 grams per 100 grams. These soy products are also rich in iron and calcium. Edamame, or young green soybeans, are not only delicious but also high in protein. 1 cup of cooked edamame offers about 17 grams of protein. Additionally, they are a great source of fiber and various vitamins and minerals. Green peas often get overlooked, but they're a great source of plant-based protein. 1 cup of cooked green peas provides about 8 grams of protein. They are also rich in vitamins A, C, K, and several B vitamins. Seitan, also known as wheat meat, is a great source of protein for those not gluten intolerant. Just 100 grams of seitan contain about 25 grams of protein. It also provides small amounts of iron and calcium. Hemp seeds are another complete protein. 3 tablespoons provide about 9.5 grams of protein. They also contain a good amount of magnesium, phosphorus, and healthy fats. The humble peanut also packs a protein punch. Just 1 ounce contains about 7 grams of protein, along with healthy fats, fiber, and a range of essential vitamins and minerals. As you can see, plant-based foods offer a wealth of protein and nutrient options. Incorporating these into your diet can help you achieve balanced nutrition. However, remember to always consult a healthcare provider or dietitian before making significant changes to your diet. At Wellness Warriors Hub, we believe in the transformative potential of adopting a holistic wellness perspective. Our channel is devoted to providing you with insightful information, useful advice, and motivational content to optimize your physical, mental, and emotional health. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the world of plant-based protein. Until next time, stay healthy, stay strong.